We got this for $2,300, but is it worth it? What's up, everybody? Back here with a bunch of buffoons. Today, go ahead and show you guys one of our projects, one of our newest projects. Got this one for $2,300. Found it on Marketplace. Got one hell of a deal on it, honestly. She needs some work, she needs a little love, but we're willing to do that. We're willing to work on it. So, couple little things wrong with her, but nothing too big. So with this truck, we actually plan on making this our shop / branding truck. Got some big ideas. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see what we end up doing to it. So show you a little bit of what's going on right now. You can see got some Escalade tires that they threw on it. Gonna have to change those out. Probably change out those drum brakes eventually. It's pretty good. I actually went and got the new tailgate. Didn't have one, that's why it's white. Interior, of course, got some wear and tear. Got a little, needs some love, but she's gonna be pretty once we're done with her. You guys can see there's some couple of gremlins hanging down, weird switches that we're gonna have to take care of. Of course, it's a K15, so we got the 4x4. Everything works on that. Let's see. Go ahead and give you guys a quick little rundown of what I've found on it already in the maybe week and a half, 2 weeks that I've owned it. So we've got, let's see. So first off, we got the wires. They're all hanging down random places. No stereo, the stereo doesn't work. We're in Arizona, so this is a big one, but the AC only blows out from the bottom. Blows out cold, but only blows out from the bottom. Let's see. Interior definitely needs some work. The speedometer and the temperature gauge both don't work, so we're gonna have to be checking sensors for that. When you're making a sharp turn to go park, it ends up stalling. So I have to figure out what's going on with that. Most likely idle air control or something like that, because this is throttle body injected. So other than that, I don't really think there's much wrong. The lights are a little weird. We got this, the switch is still here, but then they got another toggle switch and another switch that ends up turning everything on. It seems like that's, yeah, it is. It's very light. Let's see if it's on. Just see if they work if I give it a little power. Looks like the headlights don't work either, so we're gonna have to figure that one out. Other than that, like I said, I don't think there's very much else. So honestly, for $2,300, I consider this a steal because, and simply just because of the fact that the 350 in here has less than 50,000 miles on the rebuild. So we've got a good platform to start ourselves. Everything works on it. There's a couple of things that have to be worked on. If you've enjoyed this video and want to support our channel, please consider hitting that like button. It really makes a difference. And if you haven't already, why not subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our future projects and adventures. We're so grateful for your engagement and for being a part of our community.